Hey guys, it's Johnny. Today I'm going to show you how to create a personal hotspot from any iPhone. First you need to tap on settings, scroll down until you see personal hotspot. If you see personal hotspot but it's greyed out, you need to contact your carrier so they can add it. But if you see the option, tap on it and it's not greyed out. Toggle allow others to join. Make sure you have unlimited data or a large data plan with your carrier. Now on your iPad, laptop or computer, any electronic device that connects to Wi-Fi. I'm using my iPad for example. I'm just tapping on Wi-Fi. It's to say your iPhone's name. As you can see, I'm connected to my iPhone. Depending on the area and your carrier, the speed might vary. That's how to create a personal hotspot from any iPhone. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you didn't like this video, tell me why in the comments so I can improve on the next video, and bye for now.